Lizzie, Lizzie, stay still, completely still. I think, yeah. Oh gosh, you got him. He got he got the big male. Let's go look. See what you have. Trapper Will, what you got there, buddy? Don't hurt him, don't hurt him.
Grab it, Will, grab it so I can get it on film. Show us him. Hold him good, hold him good.
Don't bite, don't let him bite you.
What is it, Will? Let me see if he's
Seagull.
trying to it.
Whoa.
Oh, hi, Mr.
That
Seagull.
red spot.
Look at that seagull.
It's pretty.
Just hold him up, Will.
Be
Will.
careful.
Will, look up. Will, hold it. Look up. Now what are you guys going to do with him?
Let him go. Oh! See you, buddy.